I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings and tapping passwords. Authenticate immediately with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode so you can access stored items. Once authenticated, make sure iCloud Keychain is enabled if you want passwords available across your Apple devices. This is why syncing matters. Then, tap the Add Password button to begin creating credentials, or choose Import Passwords if you have a CSV or another password vault ready to bring into the iPhone app. Once you have entries, you'll manage them. Tap any credential to edit usernames, paste a new password, or add a secure note that explains the account. Use the password options to generate a strong, unique password and make sure autofill is enabled so Safari and apps insert credentials automatically. You'll also want to mark frequent logins as favorites and review security recommendations to see weak or breached passwords. This is why regular checking reduces risk and keeps your account safer. To finish, test autofill in Safari or an app by selecting a site and letting the iPhone suggest the stored credential. This confirms everything is working. If syncing or access fails, sign out of iCloud, restart the device, and sign back into Force Keychain to refresh. This often resolves sync hiccups. If entries are missing or corrupted, use the Reset Passwords option for local fixes or contact Apple support. Keep in mind that a recent iCloud backup can restore lost items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.